All right, I want to just give you a little short, really brief story about my granddaddy, William John Long. This would be obviously my daddy's daddy. He was a World War I veteran, and I can tell that later on. But he obviously had veterans benefits after the war. And he I was having teeth problem or whatever, but he got on a train.
Turn right
We're
onto
in
15th Street East.
we're
Then
in
turn left onto 7th Avenue East.
we gotta get directions going where we're going. We're in Tuscaloosa, and every time I go by the hospital on McFarland,
Turn
I
left
think of
onto
this.
7th Avenue East. Then arrive at your destination.
Yeah, that's right. He got on a train where, I don't know, maybe in
In 600
Sturgis,
feet, arrive at Metro Diner.
but he got on a train and came to Tuscaloosa, and I'm assuming to the hospital. Stayed over here for, I used to know how many days, I don't, but anyway, he got some new teeth made, dentures, and then he came back home, but rode a train over here to Tuscaloosa, which probably felt like going to the moon. And like I said, every time I go by the hospital, I think about him. So now we're gonna find somewhere to eat, some diner that Leanne's saying it looks like it's 50s eatery or something. What's the name of it?
The Metro Diner.
Metro Diner. Got everything else, but we don't see the Metro Diner. There's a Chuck E. Cheese. We can go eat there.
Oh, there it is.
Where is it? Oh, I see it. Yes, Metro Diner. Yeehaw. We've already looked at the menu. It's quite extensive. Metro Diner. Oh, there's a good parking place. You sure you don't want to back it in there?